BSE, India's oldest stock exchange, was established in which of the following year? Answer is option C, 1875. Which of the following is the only site of the Indus civilization that does not have a citadel? Answer is option D, Chanhudaro. Which is one of the oldest and probably the most important of the Smritis? Answer is option A, Manu Smriti. On which water body is the longest railway bridge of the India situated? Answer is option C, Brahmaputra river. Which of the following is the fastest memory? Answer is option D, cache memory. Kangar Ghati National Park is located in which of the following Indian state? Answer is option B, Chhattisgarh. International Universal Health Coverage Day is observed globally on? Answer is option A, 12th December. National Archives is situated in? Answer is option B, Kolkata. Which of the following is not a part of male reproductive system in human beings? Answer is option B, ovary. In which Indian state is the Difu Bridge over the Chipu River in the lower Dibang Valley located? Answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Who among the following holds the supreme command of the Indian Defence Forces? Answer is option A, President. What term is used to refer to the visual movement when converting one slide to another in MS PowerPoint? Answer is option C, slide transition. Which of the following compounds is known as Glauber salt? Answer is option B, sodium sulfate. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides that no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty? Answer is option C, Article 21. A blank charge is defined as the amount of electric charge transported by 1 ampere current in 1 second from one point to another. Answer is option C, Coulomb. Who among the following was the first person to demonstrate the anesthetic properties of chloroform on humans? Answer is option B, James Y. Simpson. Which of the following was the first bank established in India in 1770? Answer is option A, Bank of Hindustan. Bankruptcy and insolvency is listed in which list given in the 7th schedule in the Constitution of India? Answer is option A, concurrent. Which of the following is not a programming language? Answer is option C, Microsoft Office. What is a bug in computer technology? Answer is option B, error in computer program. What is the main function of white blood cells? Answer is option C, to fight against infection. What is commonly used as the unit of measure of processor speed? Answer is option B, gigahertz. Blank is the primary female sex organ that produces female gametes and several steroid hormones. Answer is option A, ovaries. Bathukamma, which is a flower festival, is organized in which Indian state? Answer is option C, Telangana. Who among the following was the Portuguese governor who started the blue water policy? Answer is option B, Francisco de Almeida. At which of the following places was the first French factory established by Francois Carren in 1668? Answer is option A, Surat. In which year the Income Tax Act was enacted? Answer is option C, 1961. What is the main component of biogas and CNG? Answer is option D, methane. Which of the following is not a livestock? Answer is option B, peacock. Arthritis is a disease of? Answer is option D, joints. MS Office, Photoshop and Animagic are examples of? Answer is option C, application software. Milk turns into curd faster in summer because? Answer is option A, the growth of bacteria increases with the increase in temperature. In which year was the Chittorgarh Fort designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site? Answer is option D, 2013. Right to marriage is a fundamental right under which article? Answer is option B, Article 21. The non-performing assets NPAs of Indian commercial banks are? Answer is option C, loans not repaid within stipulated time. Who was the president of Muslim League in 1930? Answer is option B, Muhammad Iqbal. Ashtadiggaj is the collective title given to 8 Telugu poets in the court of which ruler? Answer is option C, Sri Krishna Dev Rai. Which state is also known as Formosa State? Answer is option A, Taiwan State. Which of the following functions is performed by bureaucracy? Answer is option D, all of the above. Administration, helping ministers, implementing government policies. The famous cultural site Rani Ki Vav, Queen's Staple, is situated on the banks of which river? Answer is option D, Saraswati River. Which of the following river is the 5th largest and the largest west flowing river in India? Answer is option C, Narmada River. Apart from Neptune, which planet is known as the blue planet? Answer is option D, Earth. Aga Khan Cup is related to which of the following sports? Answer is option B, hockey. Eklavya Award is related to which field? Answer is option C, sports. Who composed the famous song Sare Jahan Se Acha? Answer is option B, Muhammad Iqbal. Emmy Awards are presented for excellence in which of the following fields? Answer is option D, television industry. In which state is the major part of the Mahanadi River located? Answer is option C, Odisha. What is the Gini coefficient used for? Answer is option A, to measure income inequality. The metal used for making lightning conductor is? Answer is option A, copper. Against which foreign organism is the antibiotic effective? Answer is option C, bacteria.